We're getting ready for breakfast on our very, very last breakfast on the ship.
Yep.
We are getting ready to get off.
Yep, unfortunately, but then we're off to Disney World.
It's bittersweet. We had a really great time on the cruise.
Yes, we did.
But we really want to get on land, get into the parks, and then go home and see our little man.
Yep.
It's been pretty great.
Not gonna blink.
Arrived at our resort. We're here at
Orleans Riverside.
yeah. So the main door is right behind us. We're about to head in and go look at the gift shop. We've already attempted to check in, but we got here very fast.
Yeah.
We
The
got
original departure time from the port was 9 o'clock, but as soon as we got on the boat at, bus at 7:50, they were like, "You're the last ones. We can leave." I'm like, "Okay."
So we ended up leaving an hour earlier than we were supposed to, which means we got here an hour and a half earlier than we were supposed to, and it is gorgeous. So if you've never stayed here before, highly recommend it. It is probably the most beautiful of the moderate resorts. So now we're in the gift shop. I may have found my wall of mugs already. They have it. Oh my gosh. So I have this one at home. But this one, it's got the face of Simba. And it is $20. It is enormous too. The Groot.
See,
There's that Stitch one.
the Stitch one's okay. I just don't like how it bubbles out like this. It looks like you got like
Kind of hard to clean. These are cooler than the ones we saw before.
Yeah, these are what we were
These are
supposed to, right?
$19.99. Kind of large. I love the mugs, but this place is huge. It is definitely one of the larger of the gift shops on these resorts. It's got a little shopping center here. These are kind of like treats, home goods. So we have some donuts and I guess some more treats. And they have beer and wine and soda and Lunchables and milk if you need it. Different kinds of milk, which is great. And Matt has found the pins. Yeah, that's a nice one. So lots of great stuff, really. It's my favorite part about this one, though. Huey, Dewey, and Louie pulling the rope and messing with Donald, who dropped a box on Donald's head. And of course, we've got Chip. Don't see Dale, but definitely Chip up here helping out. They just don't have these in most of the other stores anymore. They have rethemed this recently, so like the drop lighting, some of the artifacts in the back here are new. They've repainted the banner, these wood things at the top. I haven't seen that before. So it's really nice in here. Right next to Fulton's is the bar, which I have wonderfully forgotten the name of now that I'm standing in it. This place has a lot of local favorites as well as Louisiana local favorites. Tonight I'm definitely going to be getting some Abita Purple Haze in here. Hopefully while we're listening to the guy who does the piano comedy show, who's amazing. We're gonna head out and we're gonna take the boat to Disney Springs. We just got off a ship to get onto a boat to go on the water again.
They got a few minutes and some snow.
It's a never-ending cycle.
And we're already a little sad because we know that we're only here for a couple days and then we gotta go back to reality.
It's gonna be like
But we get to see our son.
We do. It's the exciting part. But now off to Disney Springs. They do exist. Disney kitties. Feral babies that keep those mice away. Except for the big mouse. We already stopped at the character outlet store off of Vineland. We got, I think about 6 or 7 items, and they came out to be about $44, which was amazing. Yeah, that completely hit my my deal hunting need. So yeah, we're in Disney Springs and having a great time so far. The weather is really lovely. It's breezy, it's still a little bit cool, around 70, and it's only gonna get hotter today. So we're very, very pleased. And I'm still cruise ready and loving my hat that I got on the cruise. So I've got an enormous head. For people who don't know, I've got a very, very, very big noggin, and it's hard for me to find like good hats or any hats that fit. So what I've been doing instead is I'll always go and try on hats and they never fit and we always get a chuckle out of it, and then this time I actually put on this hat and it fit first time. So I immediately had to buy it. So now we are just chilling. We'll see you around. So the vlog is gonna get like real weird because we're just kind of hopping around. We've just been enjoying ourselves a little bit too much, so we haven't been remembering to put it on film, which is something we're gonna try to be better about. We're currently at the Magic Kingdom. Sorry, it's so shaky. Woo! We're currently at the Magic Kingdom, and we are about to hit up on the monorail to start our monorail bar crawl. So we are going to go over to the Grand Floridian, start there at Misner's, and kind of check it out because I've never been over there and I'm really excited to go there. So then we're gonna hit up the monorail's coming, we gotta go. We're gonna hit it up and then we're gonna go have dinner at the Wave and meet up with some friends, so we probably won't film there. Yeah, friends that we made on the cruise line that we're hanging out with now in Walt Disney World. So we'll see you guys in a while. Could this be any more picturesque?
Oh, look at that.
Look at
That's
this.
a mouse.
Oh my gracious. Look at that. It smells divine in here.
Oh, it's delicious. Look, it's
A grand piano in the center. I gotta say, like this setup is something out of someone's living room.
oh, look, the band's getting ready to play.
Yeah, there's a jazz band up there.
Well, the best thing about it is the
Oh,
market's right
man.
behind us, too.
Look straight up. Look at these. They look like Cinderella's carriages, kind of. Went into the Mercantile and Mouse Mercantile. Oh my gracious, this looks like a cute boutique. Minnie Mouse aprons. These are super adorable. And I believe are $34.99. Oh, we've got some Zorgs, sorry. Talking Rex. Oh man, that is not little. It's a big golden book. Big golden book for Coco too. Oh man, that Mickey. I love it. Awesome. I think we're looking at one of the Easter eggs for this year's Easter egg decorations that they will have in the Grand Floridian later on this year. Oh wow, this is all chocolate and sugar and gum paste. This was done by the local chocolatier here at the Grand Floridian. And I wanted to take a video of it because I know it's a little shaky and a little weird, but it's so glittery.
Look at the veins and the leaves and everything.
The level of detail is pretty incredible. Oh my gosh. Just wow. And World of Disney has changed. Oh wow. This place is enormous, and it goes and it goes and it goes. I don't even know where to start. While editing today's video, I realized we never did an outro. We never took any more footage of the World of Disney. We got a little wrapped up in shopping, and we were hunting for a couple items that we never actually found. So we just forgot to film anything when we went back to the resort for the end of the day. It was a pretty great day. We ended up doing a ton of stuff and just like moving and moving and moving without doing too much. But I hope you liked it. And I hope you stick around for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're actually going to be in the parks. So hopefully we'll see you then. Bye.